Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G mobile phone, and in this video I will show you 5 tips and tricks. So the first thing is about magnification. So if you press the volume up and down button together for 3 seconds, you are able to magnify your text. Okay, so for example, I select this area and you can see now I'm able to magnify it. So I can magnify any area you can see over here. So how I can enable this feature? Simply what you have to do, you have to go into your settings option. So once you go into your settings option, you have to go into the accessibility option. So now you can see over here there is an accessibility option over here, you can see it. So you enter into the accessibility. Okay, and once you enter into the accessibility, you see an option over here, it says advanced settings. Okay, so just select this advanced settings option. Okay, and then you see over here volume up and down keys. Okay, just select it, and then you can see I already select the magnification, so you also have to do it if you want to enable this feature. And there are also other feature as well, then you can select with volume up and down button option. So guys, this is really amazing. So magnification enables you to magnify your text. For example, I open any text, okay, and I press this volume up and down button, and you can see here I'm able to magnify the text. So this is really cool feature. So guys, the next thing that I want to show you is pin an app option. So simply, for example, I open a calculator and you see I open the menu from here and I select this last option, pin this app. Okay guys, now what will happen, I can use this app. Okay, so I can do all the function in this app, but I cannot go anywhere on my phone. You can see here I press these buttons, I'm unable to go to home screen, I'm unable to go back. I can only use this particular app. Okay, this app is pinned now in the screen and I am unable to go anywhere. So if I want to unpin this one, so I have to press the back and recent button together to unpin this app. So simply what you have to do, you have to press the recent button and back button together, and now app is unpinned. This is really cool feature, and I will show you how to enable this. Simply go into your settings option. So once you go into your settings option, you see an option over here, it says biometrics and security. Just enter into biometrics and security and just scroll down, and you see the option over here, it says other security settings. Just enter into other security settings, and then you see the option over here, it says pin windows. Okay, so if it is off, you have to turn it on like this. Now it is turned on and you can see how you guys can use it. So simply what you have to do, you have to open a particular app that you want to pin. Okay, and then for example like this calculator, and go on to the menu, okay, from top of the app, and then pin this app simply, and the app is locked. Now you can only use this app on the screen, you cannot go back or you cannot perform any other function on your mobile phone. So to turn this off, you have to press recent and back button. Okay guys, so the next feature that I want to show you is about flash notification. You have to go into your settings option. Okay, once you go into your settings, okay, you have to select the accessibility option. Just select the accessibility, and once you go into the accessibility, you have to select the advanced settings option. Okay, and then you see an option over here, it says flash notification. Okay, so just go inside flash notification, and then you see over here it says camera flash notification and screen flash notification. You have to turn these both options on, and I will show you preview. Okay, so you can see over here when I press this button, the flashlight blinks and also the screen will blink. So you can see over here this flashlight and the screen will also flash. Okay, you can see over here. So whenever you receive any message or any call, both these flash notifications are on, and you can see the screen will be blink and the backlight will be blinking. So this is really cool feature guys that you can do in your S21 Ultra. So let's move to the next feature. It's about edge lightning. So how you can enable it, simply go into your settings and then go into the notifications option, and then you see brief pop-up settings, just enter into it, and then you see edge lightning style. Okay, just select this option, and then you can see over here there are different options that you can select for edge lighting on the edge of your screen. You can see over here there are different effects, okay, that you can enable. Also, you can, if you want, you can change the color. Okay, you can see over here there are different colors. Okay, so you can select any color for the edge lighting, simply edge lighting style, and then you can see colors, and then there is an advanced option as well, so you can set the transparency and duration as well. So if you scroll back and forward, there are more options for the effects, for example like this glitter, and then press this done option, the edge lighting will be enabled. The next feature is about notification reminder. Simply go into your settings, go into notification, then go into advanced settings. Okay, then you will see notification reminder. Just enter into notification reminder, and then you see there is option, different options over here. Just press turn on, and then you can see remind every 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, depends on you, whichever time you want, and then whichever app you want to set for the reminder. For example, I select the calendar, and I can also select multiple app option over here for the reminders. You can see over here I select the Samsung Notes, so this notification reminder is now turn on. You can also select the vibrate when sound plays as well. So guys, this is for tips and tricks for S21 Ultra 5G mobile phone. I hope you like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.